Hey, it's Mark Nolan in the DEI garage. You see a lot in front of me here. This is the ATV, UTV, and side-by-side custom cut heat shield kit. So you have a cool and comfortable ride on the trails. You really want that. DEI's new heat ATV, UTV, and side-by-side heat control kits reduce heat and noise in each specific model. So we take the approach that each vehicle has its own needs for heat and sound control, and we solve those problems for each individual model. So we don't take a sort of shotgun approach and assume that every model has all of the same issues. So we bring these models in, find exactly what they need, and build custom solutions for each one of them. Some of them have heat issues. That creates an uncomfortable amount of heat for the driver and the passenger. Some models have heat issues for the rear passengers in the cargo area. Reduced center console heat, so no more hot beverages in the cup holders. We've been there before. And we do our research and create solutions for all of these. We make these kits with the highest quality materials. And the floor and tunnel shield really is our workhorse product, blocking extreme exhaust and engine heat. Reflecticool, which is a thin glass fiber-backed reflective heat barrier that's really used where the temperatures aren't quite as extreme. Heat shroud and heat sheath line and hose protection keeps vulnerable fluids and wiring cool and safe as well. And the exhaust wrap reduces radiant heat into passenger compartments to create a more comfortable ride for everybody. Simple installation, detailed instructions, along with our DEI support team, makes the installation of these kits really a breeze. So here's what you get. These kits feature long-lasting, durable materials, but most important, DEI heat control kits let you stay on the trails longer in a cool and comfortable vehicle. ATV, UTV, and side-by-side custom-cut heat shield kits. You can get them at designengineering.com.